Today is Monday, July 28th, 7:47 a.m. And today my daily bias is uncertain at the moment, but I'm leaning towards bullish a bit because we still, of course, all-time highs. But this is why I'm uncertain. If we take a look at the news, today's a no news Monday on a week like this. Yeah, we're probably not gonna get shit today. Like today's just gonna be weak, like no volatility, not moving as much, no setups truly, and usually you want to stay away on days like this when it's a week. Look at bro, like a million folders that I read. But yeah, I'm not in a position to be staying away and losing out on knowledge. So today I mean we have about we have two fair value gaps. The only reason I would want to take a long is if we inverse this hourly. If we leave this, and then the what would it be? The 8 a.m. candle can inverse this, close out, and then at 9 we get something else. That would be the way I'd take longs, because on ES we do have these equal highs, and that's London. You know, I learned London was 2 to 6 last week, so gotta implement that. Gotta change it up, implement that. Yeah, and then this would be NWOG fill. And other than that, there's really no targets. Yeah. You know, we opened up last night, and this shit was flying up. But ES is looking to fill it faster than this. So maybe we get a reaction off of NWOG fill. And, yeah, we got a little bit under 2 hours. Market open, so I'll see you then. All right. So 1 second, and let's see. I think it's going to dump down to take like fill and wall completely, since we did on ES. Starting off high. Today I don't expect like a longish journal, probably like a short, like 5-6 minute one, because I don't expect much at all to go on today, and I don't want to just like leave the journal video of just like accumulation and shit. Oh damn, dump up. So yeah, it'll probably be a shorter one today. Damn, rip up. Yeah, these candles are a little bit crazy. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking wick, bro. This micro wick is crazy. I don't think that happened on regular. Yeah. I mean, it's only 10:43, but nothing for me personally. Look at the 1 minute. Then we got the 2 minute. 3, 5. Nothing for me personally. There ain't shit for me that's cooking up. I'm about to just wait till 11, probably close out, and I'll do the PTC later. I got a couple things to do. I don't know if I'm gonna do it before or after, because I mean there wasn't much today. I said that there wasn't gonna probably be anything. So yeah, that'll be it. No news Monday. Let's tap in. Oh shit. For the rest of this week, let's tap in. Yo, it's only 11:10. It's an earlier PTC today. I went down, cooked up some breakfast on some chef shit. You know me, but today, man, I knew it wasn't gonna be any trades. Let's take a look. If we look, we just stayed within NWOG in this 4 hour. We rejected off the 4 hour decently. The guys in the Discord, Steve's called it out, was this 2 minute play, but if we look, there's no 2 minute on MNQ, but there is on NQ. Where is it? I believe it was this one. Yeah, it's this one that delivered. So it was this 2 minute right here to this unfilled 15. And yeah, I didn't take it. It was on NQ, not MNQ. So for me personally, I trade on a 50K. So I just trade MNQ. I take the little itty bitty contracts. I don't use the big boy ones. So yeah, I didn't take anything today, but this did eventually play out. At first, it looked like it wasn't, but then it just retraced down very mechanical, very well. Let me go back to that just to show you. Where the fuck it's at? Oh fuck, I'm on a 15. So we had, obviously, we tapped into that 4 hour. We had a SMT, and then we had an unfilled 15-minute below. So yeah, and it was a sweep. Like we didn't close inside of that 4 hour. It was just it's a good little wick ting. So yeah, it was a pretty decent trade as far as like mechanical aspect goes, but I trade on the little guys. It's not the big boys. So yeah, I didn't take anything today. I wasn't expecting to. As we see, this is a no news Monday on a week like this. I personally wasn't expecting to trade anything today. I came in today with the mindset that I wasn't gonna take any trades, and I didn't want to risk anything really, like kind of over leverage in a way. I guess it could be considered. So yeah, I mean, I'm still operating on this one account I've had since June. Holy fuck. I need to learn to up the risk still. Hopefully, later on this week, more opportunities present themselves for me. And yeah, I'm just gonna stay patient, stay disciplined. I do feel like I'm falling behind though. I feel like I'm not as locked in as I should be. So I do need to work on that. I feel like I'm lollygagging too much, if you know what I mean. Like, yeah, I spend my time on the charts. Yeah, I do this, but outside of that, I'm not really like really locked in on this. And that's what it's gonna take to actually succeed in this. So I need to learn as much as I can, and it's not putting a time limit on myself. It's just absorbing the information correctly. So yeah, that'll be all for today's PTC. Tomorrow we have 10 a.m. news, so let's hope to deliver on there. Till then.